You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase from Arabic correctly. If you want to learn more confusing Arabic pronunciations, including vocabulary from Muslim, Islam, make sure to stay tuned. The Arabic pronunciation here is Inshallah. Inshallah. The meaning is if Allah wills. Now, there is a bit of a, you could argue, an English pronunciation of this phrase, which is as it's spelled here. Inshallah. Inshallah is how it's usually pronounced in English, inshallah, but really should be pronounced as inshallah, inshallah. How do you pronounce it usually yourself? Let us know in the comments. What do you think? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.